Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the heart, human heart. The human heart is a muscular organ and it is situated in front of the chest cavity. So, here you can see if this is your chest, just behind it inside the rib cage, and it is protected by a sternum bone, which is also called the sternum bone or chest bone. Behind the chest bone the heart is situated, and the cavity in which the heart is situated, that is called the thoracic cavity, and sometimes also it is called as a chest cavity. So now the muscular organ, which is the heart, it actually pumps blood all throughout the body, and the process is called the circulation process. Human heart is one of the most important organ which is responsible for sustaining our lives. So it is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. But the size of the human heart is a very clenched fist. The human heart functions throughout a person's lifespan, and it is one of the most hardest working muscles in the human body, and it is made up of smooth muscle which is called the cardiac muscle. It is different from the other muscles which are present in our other body parts. Besides human, most other animals also possesses a heart that pumps blood throughout their bodies. Even vertebrates such as grasshoppers possesses a heart like pumping organs, though they do not function the same way a human heart does. Now let's start with the position of the heart, where the heart is situated in human body. So the human heart is located between the lungs. Here is the image. So this is the two sides where the lungs is present, and in between the two lungs the thoracic cavity is there, and inside this thoracic cavity the heart is situated. Slightly this heart bend towards the left side. This is this over here there is sternum bone, which is the chest bone, and just behind it heart is present, and it is slightly tilted or bent towards the left part of the body, like this. It is slightly bent towards the left side over here. Okay, so this is the rib cage, and this is the sternum bone, and behind it the heart is situated. After the position of the heart, let's start with the function of the heart. One of the primary functions of the human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. You can see this is the blood flow, and this is pumped by heart throughout the body. Okay, this blood, these are the RBC cells. Okay, these are the RBC cells. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose and other components to various parts of the body, including human heart. Heart also needs for its working nutrients, oxygen and other different ingredients for its proper functioning, and so this blood delivers oxygen, hormone, glucose and other components to various parts and also to the heart itself. So another function is the heart ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are two types of circulation in the body, such as pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Here The pulmonary circulation is done by the lungs and systematic circulation is done by the blood vessels with the heart. Now, if we say the pulmonary circulation, then how it is responsible for your body? This pulmonary circulation is a portion of circulation which is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart. Okay. Then this deoxygenated blood go to which part? It goes to the lungs and then bringing oxygenated blood back to the heart. So here is the way where deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs, and here is the way of blood vessel which gives oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs. So this is the pulmonary circulation. Now the systematic circulation is another portion of the circulation where the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organs. This is the heart. Here it is pumped oxygenated blood to the every organs and tissues in the body, and deoxygenated blood come back again to the heart from the different body organs after working of the organs, all other organs. Now your heart itself is a muscle, and therefore it also needs a constant supply of oxygenated blood. Now at this point there is another type of circulation comes into play, that is the coronary circulation. Now what is this coronary circulation do? It is an essential portion of circulation where the oxygenated blood supplied to the heart for supplying oxygen throughout the body and supplied to the heart itself. So it is very important to know that the coronary circulation actually does the circulation part inside the heart only. It means this circulation involve giving oxygenated blood and receiving deoxygenated blood inside the heart itself. Means if heart needs oxygenated blood, then it is done or given by only through the coronary circulation. Means heart itself contains coronary blood vessels. Coronary blood vessels means coronary arteries and coronary veins. Coronary arteries carry oxygenated blood for the heart, and coronary veins carry deoxygenated blood from the heart. So there are two kinds of blood vessels which is present all over the heart muscle, which carry oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, which is essential for heart itself only, means the functioning of heart. So if we said briefly, the circulation is of three kinds, that is your systematic circulation, which involve heart and other blood vessels, means arteries, veins and arteries. Veins carry deoxygenated blood, artery carry oxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from different organs to heart, and arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to different organs. This is all about the systematic, and this is here is the pulmonary circuit, that is pulmonary circulation, which involve lungs over here. So deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. This is an exceptional case where artery carry deoxygenated blood, okay, and to the lungs. Then after oxygenation, means addition of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide by the RBC cells is done, then this blood will pump to the return to the heart, and this is oxygenated blood. It is carried by pulmonary veins. Pulmonary word, remember one thing, the pulmonary word is used for the lungs always, and cardiac muscle is always related to the heart. So over here, this is the pulmonary circulation, this is systematic circulation. But if we say another type of circulation, that is a coronary circulation, it involves only heart itself. Means coronary artery and coronary veins are present all over the heart muscles, and they carry oxygenated and deoxygenated blood differently, separately, and also they carry oxygen nutrients for the heart muscles. So this is all about the types of circulation of the human heart. And then the next part of the human heart is the structure, and I will make another video for the structure of human heart in detail diagram. Okay, thank you so much.